If you want to purchase digital games online right from your PS5, then stay tuned because I'll show you how you can buy digital games on your PS5 using wallet funds, PayPal, credit or debit cards, or by redeeming a gift code. If you already have funds on your wallet, then you can just head to PlayStation Store, search your favorite game, then buy it from here by selecting the amount by pressing X, select Confirm Purchase. And if you don't have funds, then the screen for the payment method will pop up. From here you can select PayPal by logging into your PayPal account, or you can add a credit or debit card using your phone, or by using your controller and filling in the details manually. And lastly, you can use a redeem code or gift card. So we'll go with the gift cards, and here you'll just need to enter your 12-character gift code. When you're done, press R2, and then you'll see your current wallet amount and how much you'll have after funding your wallet. So we'll select redeem. Now you need to go back and confirm purchase again. If you have secured purchase enabled, then you need to enter your PSN account password. And that's all. We have successfully purchased our game, and after it's downloaded, you can start playing it right away. So that's how you can purchase games using wallet funds or any other payment methods on your PlayStation 5. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you around.